Alright, we're going to run through a blade change on the 800 series. To start with, we're going to turn the blade change switch to the left, which is the change position. We get a screen. In this screen we have controls. We're going to bring the guide arm down, which will make installation and removal of the blade easier. Somewhere within about a foot of the table. Also in this screen we have controls to open the upper band wheel door. We'll have the lower button pressed and you'll see the doors open. Now we will remove the key from the blade change switch. Come around to the side of the machine. Open the sliding side cover, which exposes the blade change step. Fold the blade change step in. Step up on the platform. Put the key in the switch. Now we'll open the front blade guard. We'll unlatch the easy load blade guides and twist the blade 90 degrees towards us. Now we've got the 90-degree twist out of the blade. We can simply use the key switch to relax the hydraulic tension on the blade. You can see the blade is now slack. Now he'll remove the blade from the rear blade guard and the front blade guides. He'll hold it in kind of a controlled figure 8. As he works the bottom of the blade out of the machine. Alright, we got the blade out. We can go ahead and install the new blade by reversing the process. So typically they'll leave the blade capping on. So we'll pretend this is the new blade, and we'll have him go ahead and reinstall it back in the machine. He'll drop the lower portion of the band down on the lower wheel. He'll slide the upper portion up onto the top wheel. Now he's going to kind of fish it into the blade guides, into the rear blade guard, and then finally position it over the lower wheel. This can all be done from standing on the side platform. We send a blade change hook to be able to reach up to the top wheel and position the blade if needed. Okay, now it's secured in the front blade guides. I'm going to use the cane here to assist in lifting it up onto that top wheel. Alright, now it's also started in the rear blade guard. Make sure that the blade is not over the flange. He'll use the blade change cane to help position it on the wheels. Need to slide it on a little further. Again, we can use the blade change hook, push it up over the wheel. Now he's got it over both wheels. We'll go ahead and jog the blade tension up, ensuring that the blade is on both wheels and in the guides. Grab the easy load blade guide handles and twist them back 90 degrees to the cutting position. Tighten the thumb screws. Same Same position on the bottom. Close your blade guards. Close the side cover. Remember to take the blade change key with you. Move the step out of the way, close the side cover. Back to the operator's panel. Put the key back in the switch. Close the upper covers. Put the key back in the run mode. It's going to ask you to ensure that you've got the guides rotated. You hit yes, and you're ready to operate.